Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital wood moisture meter you can find for your next project, and I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Proto Misto. Let's get started. Product feature. This incredible tool features 4 specialized modes designed to accurately measure moisture in drywall, masonry, softwood, and hardwood, adapting to nearly any material you'll encounter in your home or woodshop. The high-quality VA full viewing angle reverse display screen is a total game-changer, ensuring you can read your data clearly from any position, even in dark basements or under the brightest sunlit conditions. Utilizing advanced electromagnetic wave sensors, the meter detects moisture in objects thicker than 20 millimeters without leaving a single mark or pinhole, keeping your precious materials and finished surfaces completely intact. For the most reliable results possible, the device is optimized to work on materials with a minimum surface area of 40 by 40 millimeters, ensuring the sensors have the perfect contact for consistent and trustworthy readings. Whether you prefer working in Celsius or Fahrenheit, you can effortlessly switch between temperature units to match your personal preference or specific project requirements with just a quick and easy adjustment. Beyond just measuring what is inside your timber, the built-in sensors track surrounding temperature and humidity, helping you understand how the ambient air affects your materials and their long-term stability. To protect your home from hidden mold or structural damage, a loud buzzer sounds if moisture levels cross critical thresholds, 70% for masonry or 20% for wood, offering you immediate peace of mind and safety. Pros. What truly makes the Proto Misto stand out is its deep commitment to protecting your hard work and your home. The non-invasive sensor technology is a total lifesaver for hobbyists who want to check moisture without damaging expensive timber. It feels incredibly intuitive, and that vibrant display makes tracking your project's health feel effortless and surprisingly rewarding for any DIYer. Cons. While it is a powerful companion, it does require a specific surface area to work its magic, which might be tricky for very thin or narrow scraps. Also, the buzzer is quite persistent when it detects high moisture, which is helpful for safety, but can be a bit startling during a quiet task. Final thoughts. Investing in this tool is really about investing in the longevity of your home and your craft. It takes the stress out of DIY projects, providing a sense of security that every builder deserves. Knowing your walls are dry and your wood is seasoned gives you the confidence to create things that last a lifetime. It's more than just a gadget, it is a reliable partner for your creative journey. Don't let moisture ruin your next big project. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video for more helpful home tools. Keep building your dreams with confidence and care.